video, we will do the completing the square method to solve the quadratic equation. Okay. As compared to the factorization method and the quadratic formula, this is a bit tough, but if you understand and then practice, it's not that tough. Okay. So completing the square method. So let's understand this by a question. See, here it is written 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now in this, first step is to remove the coefficient of x, and for that we have to divide the whole equation by 3. Okay, so 3x square upon 3, then minus 5x upon 3 plus 2 upon 3 is equals to 0. Okay, then 3 will cancel out, so the coefficient of x square is removed. X square minus 5x upon 3 plus 2 by 3 is equals to 0. Now the next step is, see, coefficient of x is 5 by 3. Okay, don't see this minus, just 5 by 3. So 5 by 3, we have to do the half of 5 by 3. Half of 5 by 3 is, this you do in rough, 5 by 3 is 5 by 6. Half of 5 by 3 is 5 by 6. Okay, here x square. Now before writing this, and when you will write, you have to do the square also, like this. Means we don't have to solve, just we have to put a square. Okay, now before writing this, what we have to do? We have to one time multiply, like this, multiply by 2, and one time we have to divide by 2. See, this will come in this form. Okay, then what we will do? Then next one time we have to add this 5 upon 6 square, and one time we have to subtract 5 upon 6 square. Then 2 by 3 will come, plus 2 by 3 upon 0 is equals to 0. Okay, now x square minus, don't solve this numerator 2 into 5x is equals to 10x. Okay, don't solve this, just you have to solve this denominator. So it will come 2 into 5x upon 6. Okay, 6 will come, then plus 5 upon 6 square minus 5 upon 6 square plus 2 by 3 is equals to 0. Okay, then what? Now if we see, when we see the first 3 terms of this equation, what we are looking is that this is in the form of a minus b whole square. See, in completing the square, it will be like this only. First, after this step, first 3 terms will either come in the form of a plus b square or in the form of a minus b whole square. Okay, so a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So a square x square minus 2ab, so minus 2 into 5x upon 6, and b square is equals to 5 upon 6, 5 upon 6 square. See, we have got. Now what we have to do? We will write this in this form. Okay, so x minus 5 upon 6 square. Now this 5 upon 6 square, and then this one 2 by 3 will go on the right side. Is equals to, now here it is in minus, so it will become plus, and here it is in plus, so it will become minus 2 by 3. Okay, Now what we have to do is we have to open the bracket for 5 by 6 square. So now we will open the bracket. X minus 5 by 6 square is equals to 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 and 6 6s are 36 minus 2 by 3 is equals to. Now when we take the LCM of 36 and 3, what we will get? 36. Okay. So 36. Then what we will multiply to 36, that it comes the LCM, means 36 comes. So 36 into 1 is equals to 36. So in numerator we will multiply 1. So 25 into 1 we will get 25. Now minus. Now what we will multiply in 3, that it comes 36. So 3 12s are 36. So 2 into 12 is equals to 24. Okay. Then x minus 5 upon 6 square is equals to 25 minus 24, 1. So 1 upon 36. Now we have to remove this square. So we will put the root on both the sides. Okay. So this square and this root will cancel out and this will become, see, like this. X minus 5 by 6 square is removed and root 1 by 36. So 1 upon 6. Right? We have got this. Now it will be plus minus. Why plus minus? Because see, 6 into 6 is also 36 and minus 6 into 6 minus 6 is also 36. Right? So any can be there. So we will do plus minus. Now minus plus minus. So first time we will do with plus and the second time we will do with minus. So x is equals to 1 by 6. Here it is in minus, so it will become plus. So 5 by 6. Okay. So x is equals to 6 is the denominator. So here it will become 6. Okay. And 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. So x value what we will get? It is 1. Okay. Now we will do with minus. So x is equals to minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 6. Okay. So x is equals to 6, means 6 in denominator, then minus 1 plus 5 is equals to 4. Why? Because 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. So 4 by 6. So the next value of x what we will get is 2 by 3. Okay, so now we have found the 2 value of x by completing the square method. Okay, so we have completed all the methods. Let's meet in the next video.